Hello and welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. Today we're talking about the Direct Access button, your best friend on the Genos 2. Now a little about the screen you see in front of you. This is your main screen showing the voices, songs, styles, multipads, and other information about the song you are currently playing. You will notice I have song A as blank and also the style as blank. There's nothing in these files, they are just placeholders. After orchestrating the song on the Genos, I converted all the MIDI and other information into an audio file, and I play along with the backtracks using the voices. Basically, you are the soloist, and the Genos 2 is the orchestra. After you hit the Direct Access button, you will see this screen pop up. It's self-explanatory. Okay, here's where the fun begins. From here, you can hit any button, fader, knob, or foot switch, and then this screen will appear. In this case, I hit the second foot switch to bring up this window. From this window, I can tell the foot switch 2 to do what I want it to. Here, where it says Song B, Play, Pause, I touch this on the screen, and then you will see this window appear. From here, you can scroll through the pages to find the function you want for the second foot switch. When you find the function you want, just press it, and that's it. Now, this is very, very important. Don't forget to save the changes on the registration buttons, whichever one you want, and also resave your song so that all the new information will be saved. That's the magic of the Direct Access button. If you have any further questions, leave a comment below or email me at davidnelson05@mac.com and I can help you. Cheers. Try this out, and we'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Over and out.